Spiral Practice 94. Giorgio made 6 kilograms of snack mix for a party. He put 100 grams of snack mix into small bags for guests. What is the number of bags he filled if he used all of the snack mix? So look, we have kilograms and we have grams. We need to make those the same. Because we're going to put grams into the small bags, we need to make this into grams. So remember, we did this briefly. King Henry danced merrily, lazily, gracefully down Central Main. We have 6 kilograms, and we want to know how many grams that would be. So we're going to start at the kilograms. We're going to go to the grams, 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. Where's your decimal on the number 6? It would be behind it. We're going to move it 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. Fill in those spaces with zeros. So it's 6,000. So let's just change this to say 6,000 grams. So we have 6,000 grams. We're going to put 100 grams into small bags. We want to know the number of bags. So we're taking all of this snack mix and dividing it up. So we're going to do 6,000 divided by 100. Okay. Now we know that when we're doing this, we're dividing. We have powers of 10 here. We're going to move our decimal to the left because on division our number is getting smaller. We're going to move it 2 times because we have 2 zeros. Our decimal on 6,000 is after it. And we're going to move it 1, 2 times. So the number would be 60. So it should look like this. First column, last 2 are going to be left blank. Bubble these in. Okay. Number 2, Jackson barbecued ribs for 9 people. He barbecued ½ a pound of ribs for each person. How many pounds of ribs did Jackson barbecue? So we have ½ a pound, and we're going to do that for 9 people. We're going to multiply this by 9. Remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you have to make this into a fraction. So to make a whole number in a fraction, you're going to put it over 1. We're going to multiply straight across here. This would be 9 over 2. We know that that's an improper fraction. To fix it, we're going to do top in, bottom out. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. We have 1 left over. So our denominator here was a 2. It's going to stay a 2, and our remainder becomes the numerator, 4½ So the correct answer here would be J. Okay, and number 3. Number 3 says, Louisa created a pattern using square tiles. The area of each tile is 1 square unit. The diagram represents the first 4 steps of her pattern. What is the area of the tiles in step 5 and the area of the tiles in step 6? Okay, so I'm going to draw those out. So this is going to be step 5. So I'm just going to repeat what we have here for step 4. Okay, now if you look at the pattern, we had 1, and then we still have 1, and then we added 2. 1 and 2, the same as before, we added 1. So it just alternates 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So for step 5, we're going to have 1 more. Okay, so this is step 5. And let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for step 5, we're going to have 7. Let's do step 6. So I'm going to repeat what I had here for step 1. And then we're going to add on to it. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I'm going to add 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So step 5 should have 7, and step 6 should have 9, which is answer choice D.